This particular tire valve is called a SCHRADER valve. It's found on cars, motorcycles, and many bicycles. It is different from the Presta valve. The SCHRADER valve is 8 millimeters, and the Presta is 6 millimeters in diameter. Let's focus on the SCHRADER valve. The SCHRADER valve is commonly vulcanized into the inner tube. The stem can be fully threaded like this one, or it can be covered in butyl rubber like this one. SCHRADER valve stems are also available in tubeless tire systems. You can even convert your Presta valved wheels to SCHRADER valves like we did here. Inside the stem is a removable valve. Install the skinny end of the VC1 inside the valve and find the wrench fittings. Turn it counterclockwise to the left and loosen it until it comes out, as does all the air. As a safety note, especially in high-pressure systems such as rear shocks and dropper posts, bleed down the valve first before removing the core. The SCHRADER core has 2 seals. This external ring seals inside the valve body. Also, at the bottom of the spring-loaded plunger is another seal that holds the air in. Here is the second type of SCHRADER valve core with an external spring. To deflate the tire, push the stem at the top. That opens up the valve seat below. To inflate the tube, a SCHRADER pump head will have a small stud inside that will push against the stem to open up the valve. Again, the valve cores can be removed to let the air out quickly or to clean the valve. If the stem of the core has been bent, it can be replaced with a new one. To install, insert the valve into the hole. Use the VC1 to turn clockwise to the right and snug the valve. It does not take a lot of torque to get it sealed. If the valve core was not properly snugged, it can cause a slow leak. Test it with some soapy water. And to cap it all off, for this 180-year-old system, the SCHRADER valve, you can get lots of fun valve tabs. SCHRADER valves, Presta valves, which do you prefer? And which do you have? Tell us in the comments below.